Well, my dear students, let me solve this problem in a super simple way. There is a body of mass 1 kg hanging downwards. That means 1 into G. That is 10 newtons is acting downwards. This is tension T1 and T2. Angles are given with the horizontal. And you need to find out what are the tensions here. The simplest possible way is, if you just draw one line here, okay, this is 60 means this is going to be 60 degrees and this is going to be 30 degrees, okay. So exactly opposite to T1, what is going to happen here? mg cos 30 is acting, okay. mg's cos 30 component is acting here because this is mg cos 30, okay. So therefore, this is going to be T1 is how much? mg cos 30. And what is mg here? mg is 10. So we can write it as 10 cos 30, which is root 3 by 2. Your answer is going to be 5 root 3 newtons, that is T1. Similarly, you can find out what is T2. Exactly opposite to T2, just draw one line, okay. And this is 30 because they are going to be vertically opposite angles. Then this is going to be 60 degrees, okay. Because these two set to be equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, exactly opposite to T2, what is going to happen? The component of this is acting here, that is mg cos 60 degrees. Therefore, this is going to be T2. And this is mg is nothing but 10. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Your answer is 5 newtons. That's it. My dear students, in this problem is asking the unit for this physical quantity. What is this? We don't understand anything. But you know there is one familiar formula which is related to this in electromagnetic wave. What is that formula? Formula is I is equal to half epsilon naught C into E square. From this we can derive this formula. What is that? Let us see here now. So we can write E to one side. Then we can write under root of 2I by epsilon naught into C. So that means the unit of this is nothing but unit of electric field, okay, and electric field is nothing but force by charge, which is nothing but Newton per Coulomb, and this is going to be our exact unit for this physical quantity because this is equal to electric field intensity. Thank you. Well, my dear students, you want to bypass these lengthy methods and do the problem in a super simple way, then you are at the right place. You can just see how can you solve this problem in just super simple way. You can just see here, velocity is given as lambda and g and rho here. But you know, use your common sense and you can just see the velocity formula is taken as 2gh under root, okay. But 2 doesn't have any dimension formula, root gh. That means you can just write it as g into lambda here. Because lambda is length, height is also length. That's it. Your answer is just ready now. Here, there is no place for density. So, C can be taken as 0 and g power of b here under root is nothing but we can write this as g power 1 by 2 and lambda power 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 0 is going to be your damn answer. Thank you very much. Sir, can you solve this problem in just 5 seconds? Because you have to derive 4-dimensional formulas. It's time waste and time consuming. Here, for every problem, there will be simple logic. You have to hold that logic here. What is that? If you see these two matchings, you take only one physical quantity that is called as gravitation constant. In this gravitation constant dimensional formula, you know it is going to be the fourth option because it is a gunshot. From many days we are practicing the dimensional formula m power minus 1, L cube and T power minus 2. That's it. Okay. And A is equal to 4 is only for fourth option. Remaining options doesn't have A is equal to 4. Well, my dear students, how can you solve this problem in a super simple way? Where there is a body of mass 1 kg pulled aside with a horizontal force F. Okay. Then mg is acting downwards. He is asking us to find out what is the horizontal force acting on a body when it is making 45 degrees with the vertical. The simplest possible manner is just extend this line like this and complete this in the form of a rectangle. That's it. So this is 45, this is also going to be 45 degrees, it is going to be corresponding angles to be same here now. Then, if this is F, this is also going to be F because opposite sides of a rectangle is going to be same here. The simplest possible solution is just write tan 45, that's it. Okay, so tan 45 degrees is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side which is going to be mg. Your answer is ready here. F is nothing but mg tan 45. Okay, mg tan 45 is going to be your answer here. Mass is 1 kg, 1 into 10 into tan 45 is going to be 1. So your horizontal force is going to be 10 newtons. That's it. Thank you very much.